Hello, my little chicken nuggets. Today it is Wednesday, October the 14th. We're going to go to classwork. You have a CNN 10 assignment here. I need you to go to the link, and I need you to fill out one fact. Do not tell me that coronavirus is spreading. I already know that. So please pick a different fact to tell me about. That would be awesome. Also, it's Vocabulary Wednesday. I need you guys to go to the following link. Some of you have not completed these assignments or even touched this. So some of you will have 4 assignments and some will only have 2. Please do this. Your definitions and vocabulary words, I could tell that you guys haven't studied these or worked on vocab from your quizzes. So this is to help you guys during the quiz, okay? So go do it. Maybe once everyone gets started, we'll have a vocabulary jam and make a game of it. Also, I'm not going to chase you on this one. Here's your test corrections. You need to go find your test that you took, your quiz that you took last Wednesday. You need to count down to whatever question you got wrong. So let's say it's the 4th one. Put number 4. Try to find the correct answer. Type that in. And then submit that, and I will regrade these and see if we can get your quiz grades up, okay? So, CNN 10, Vocab Wednesday, and test corrections. And that is all you have to do. Toodles.